Alright, so here's how you connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. First, make sure you're an admin of the Facebook page you want to link. On Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the top. Go to Settings, and in the search bar, type Page Status. Tap on it, then select Manage Admins. Here, you can confirm your access level. Now, switch over to the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile Information section, choose Page. Tap on Continue, then tap Login to Facebook. Select the page you want to connect. And finally, tap Connect. Once your page is connected, there's one more step before posting. Go back to your profile, tap the menu icon, then open Settings and Activity, and tap Accounts Center. From here, select Sharing Across Profiles. Choose your Instagram account and the linked Facebook page. Now enable Share your Instagram posts to Facebook, share your Instagram stories to Facebook, and optionally, share Reels automatically. That's it. Your Instagram is now fully connected to your Facebook page, and your posts, stories, and Reels can cross-post automatically.